and welcome to another vlog. We make today Kalakand, Indian famous sweets. So that's why we need paneer 200 grams. We need to grate it. That's why the grater and the spatula. And you need with this some crushed cardamom, or you can see elaichi. Then a little bit whole milk and condensed milk. If you use like a 200 gram paneer, then you need to 300 gram of condensed milk. And we have some almond flakes. It's completely optional. So if you want to use it, you can use it. If you don't want to use it, don't want to use it. So we need to grate the paneer. Already grated. Now we'll add the condensed milk and we'll mix it well. We not use any sugar because this condensed milk had already sweetener. Then we add the cardamom and we'll mix it well. Then we'll add some milk. Can't waste anything. Yep. Wait for boiling. When it start to boil, then we'll continuously stir it. We need to add the almond powder. I forget. $200 paneer or 300 gram of condensed milk, and with 200 gram and whole milk was fine, but I add a little bit more milk because I have some, so that's why it's become runny. It's take time to get boil and make tight. It's a very important and careful step. Don't stick in the bottom on the pan, so make sure you continuously stir it. Thicker. It's time to continuously stir it. It will be ready within few minutes. It's our favorite dessert. There is not a perfect timing. It's depend how is the temperature, how is the quantity, but when it's come from the pan, you can see that time it's ready. Now we just turn off the gas, oven. We'll turn it into a butter paper and spread it. Then we'll cut into the pieces when it will be cooled down. Just cool down. Now it's coming to room temperature. We'll cut it pieces as you like. delicious.